Hello everyone, today I will show you how to integrate the REST API source data with the DataStage. We are providing with an API that contains the data we need to convert. Create a sample JSON file that defines the data, structure and column in the DataStage. In IBM Cloud Pak for Data, let's open a project. In project, I will create a job named API to table. To begin, we will use the hierarchical stage to fetch the data from the API. Take the output link from the stage and connect it to the DB2. In the hierarchical stage, click on the edit assembly. It already contains input and output. From web services, choose REST as the input method to access the API. See several options. Select the get method since we are fetching the data. Enter the API URL and in the responses section, choose the option to store the responses in a text or node. In the library section, select the file that contains the data and the column definitions. Then configure the mapping to retrieve the source. Next, use the JSON pacer to convert the JSON format into a structured data. Select the body field as the source of your data and the column. For the input, specify that all the columns are at the root level. Now, in the output session, provide the mappings such as the path of each data field. Add the output column manually. Select the specify column you want to display in the output. Then define the column path to indicate where each pieces of the data should be appear. After configuring everything, open the DB2 connector. Use the connection that I have already created in the Cloud Pak for Data. Simplify the schema name where you want to create the table and provide the table name. Save the configuration. Finally, compile and run the job. The job runs successfully. You can preview the data in CPD or checking the table and schema directly in the DB2 to confirm that the data has been loaded successfully.